Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you what mouse damage looks like on a garden carrot. Here's a clip from the show. The other thing I want to show you here is this right here. This carrot's been chewed on. This is a mouse or a vole. We've had a few voles in here, and this is the damage that they will do. I can cut this carrot down below and eat this part, but I'll definitely toss the part that that the mouse has been chewing on. But that's something that you want to watch for in your carrot patch, is just this chew marks. They'll go after winter squash, potatoes, carrots, and beets. Those are the plants that I've seen them, or the fruits that I've seen them chew on. So anyways, if you are seeing some of this, you might want to put out some mouse traps or something like that. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 31. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.